Fucking move! I'll show you fucking inside. Get down, motherfucker, down!
In today's world, security is more important than ever. That's why many people are turning to security cameras to protect their homes and businesses. But before you go out and buy a security camera, there are a few things you need to consider. Point 1. Coverage. Identify the most vulnerable spots. For example, you might want to put cameras around your doors and windows, or in your backyard. Point 2. Type of camera. There are two main types of security cameras, wired and wireless. Wired cameras are connected to a recording device with a cable, while wireless cameras transmit their signal wirelessly. Wired cameras are generally more reliable, but they can be more difficult to install. Wireless cameras are easier to install, but they can be less reliable. Point 3. Resolution. The resolution of a security camera is how clear the image will be. A higher resolution camera will produce a clearer image, but it will also be more expensive. If you need to be able to identify people or objects in your footage, you will need a high-resolution camera. Point 4. Night vision. If you need to be able to see at night, you will need a camera with night vision. Night vision cameras use infrared light to see in the dark. Point 5. Weatherproofing. If you plan to install your security cameras outdoors, you will need to make sure they are weatherproof. Weatherproof cameras are designed to withstand the elements, such as rain, snow, and wind. Point 6. Storage. Security cameras record footage, so you will need a way to store that footage. You can store footage on a DVR, digital video recorder, NVR, network video recorder, or cloud storage. Point 7. Legal considerations. Before you install security cameras, you need to be aware of the laws in your area regarding privacy. You cannot install cameras that record audio or video of public areas without the consent of the people being recorded. By considering these factors, you can choose the right security camera system for your needs. If you're looking for expert security camera installation or maintenance, look no further than Trusted Eagle IT Services. Thanks for watching.